We love Kiss over here, and I thought I would share with you guys their latest Rebel Lashes collection that they just came out with. I'm going to be using their latex-free glue along with, let's see which pair of lashes most intrigues me. It's honestly very difficult for me to pick one. I really like these, but I feel like they're going to be a little too short for like the look I want to go for today. I want them to be more flared out. So this is like an everyday style. It makes your lashes look fuller. This is in the style Rockstar. Look at that band. It's super thin. That's a possibility. No. I think I'm going to go with this one because I'm vibing with it. It's called Vibin'. Look at how that flares out. Ugh, so excited to get these on. Yeah, look at all of these here. This one is called Volume Up. This one is called Smudge. These are a little bit more on the dramatic side. I don't think I'm going to be wearing these today. I'm going to go with Vibin'. These are called Main Character. They're very flared out. They're not that full, but they're pretty. And this one is called Downtown Girl. Another style that's not super full, but very pretty and fluttery. I'm going to go with the style Vibin'. Let's get these on. Let me get them open first. I did have to go in and cut a little bit of the band because it's a little too long for the length of my eye. And I'm going to go in with this latex free glue. And set that one down. Apply it to the next lash. I've already cut this one. Okay, so grabbing a mirror, looking down, and trying to stay like right on top of my natural lashes, as close to it as possible. Oh, ooh. Hold on. I feel like I didn't wait for the glue to like fully get tacky. It's still kind of wet. Okay, check this out. Let me zoom in. Look at that style. I feel like it doesn't look dramatic. It just looks fluffy. Lashes? No lashes. Okay, so I have them on both eyes now. I'm loving this style. Let me know if you guys want to see me try other eyelashes from this collection down below in the comments.